Welcome back to Robinson's Automotive Specialist here in Pennsburg, Pennsylvania. We're getting ready to wrap up for today. I just wanted to show you some of the things that I got to wrap up with before the 4th, and that's if I take the day off or not. So this is what it weighs on. So we got the C300. She's getting an alternator in the morning. We got this Subaru, valve cover gaskets, catalytic converter, spark plugs, and I believe that's it. O2 sensor, since it's getting new cat, so we're going to put the new O2s in it as well. This Mustang we just finished up on. Thermostat housing had failed on it, lost all of its coolant. It was ran a little warm, so we got to put it through a few more drive cycles and make sure everything is okay with that. But so far so good. So that one's just about wrapped up. And then out in the parking lot, the Kia, I just finished up with that. That got 2 new tires. The Jeep, that's coming in for service tomorrow, oil change and just a once over. The other ones, not too much going on. The other Jeep there, tire rotation, inspection, and a couple other things to do on the service. That Acura, that one, replace your timing belt. It's cheaper than your engine. I have a video out there where I use that slogan. But timing belt went, bent all the valves. So that one has a misfire, front and rear bank. So both heads have to come off it now because the timing belt interval was skipped, and she broke. The Chevy, she's getting a transmission. I got the used transmission arrived, so it's finally coming up on the schedule. So we're going to be tackling that as well. The Jeep, front and rear differentials and a few other things. We got to get started on that soon. The truck, the GMC here, that one just got 2 new front tires, safety inspection, oil change, and a few other things. The Hyundai, that one has an issue when in traffic overheats or at stops. Once it starts moving, she's good, so we'll have to evaluate that, plus an inspection. The Ford 250 there, that one, the AC clutch was missing in action, so somehow the front plate came off it and it was gone. So I ordered a replacement clutch assembly for the AC compressor. We put that on it. So far the AC is blowing cold. I also evacuated the system, recharged it with some dye just in case there's any leaks to help evaluate that later. The van, that one came in, no start, so we're gonna have to evaluate that. Still need to troubleshoot it. The Ram, that one's getting 4 new tires, ABS lights on, gotta check that out, along with other services that are on the list for inspection. So we got quite the list piled up for us for tomorrow. So wish me luck. Well, now it's Thursday, pushing 4 o'clock, and where do we stand? Well, we just got done putting all new tires on this beautiful Cadillac Escalade. It's got the Bridgestone, very nice tire, pretty much the same tire that came with the vehicle. Always make sure you're putting the right speed and weight rating on your vehicles, guys. Cheaper isn't always better. I've been seeing a lot of that come in lately. So where do we stand? All right, I also have this set of trailer tires plus the spare that you can see had a blowout. We'll be taking care of that here shortly. In addition to that one, we have that Honda, took a look at earlier, that has a cylinder deactivation solenoid that's sticking. Could be a magnitude of things causing that, but we'll take a look at that one shortly. But the Mustang's done. The Mercedes is now done. It has a new alternator in it. That Jeep, tire rotation, oil service inspection complete. The other Jeep is done. Yeah, we're making progress. I'm still going to get to this battery today, the mysterious Honda van. All it was a bad connection. I feel bad for this guy, but hey, it is what it is. So we're making progress. We still got to throw the cats on that. Pretty much that'll be wrapped up here shortly as well. Just been pushing really hard today, and it's muggy, but we do what we got to do. Well, I didn't quite make the deadline. We came really close, guys, but I just got everything switched over from the old cat to the new cat. It's pretty much a whole assembly with the manifold, but unfortunately I'm going to have to pause here. They did not have the downstream O2 sensor, but this one's easier to get to than this one. Long story short, we're just going to go with the Upstream O2 Denso OE. However, I'm going to have to pick up on this tomorrow because I just got informed that our hot water heater just bursted at home. So what a start to the July 4th, but it is what it is, and we'll roll with it. And every day is a blessing just to wake up. Remember that, guys. It's better than pushing up tulips. So until next time, stay tuned.